Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin immediately. Make sure your phone is charged and on Wi-Fi so the process won't fail mid-step. Once ready, open Settings or the Google app, then go to Accounts and tap Add Account. Choose Google and press Create Account. You're doing this to tie apps, contacts, and backups to one identity, so enter your name and preferred username carefully before moving on to verification. Continue by filling required fields, birth date and gender, then pick a username that's memorable and not taken. The system will suggest alternatives if needed. Next, create a strong password and confirm it. Use a mix of letters and numbers. When prompted, verify your identity with the phone number or recovery email you prepared. This step prevents lockouts and helps account recovery. Make sure to accept Google's terms and choose sync settings for contacts and backups before proceeding. Finish by reviewing privacy choices and sync options. Turn on backup if you want photos and contacts saved to Google. Then sign into the Play Store and other apps using your new account so services restore automatically. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Make sure you entered the verification code correctly and the phone has internet. If login still fails, use the recovery email or phone option, or clear the Google Play Services cache and retry. This usually resolves account setup errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.